The pattern feature allows you to create copies of faces and bodies in 3 patterns. Linear, a direction and offset distance is required. Circular, a rotation axis and angle are required. Rectangular, 2 sets of directions and offsets are needed. The properties of the pattern feature are: pattern type defines either a linear, circular, or rectangular pattern. The default setting is linear. Geometry, an apply and cancel button property that accepts face and body selections. Direction, the direction for a linear pattern or the first of 2 directions for a rectangular pattern. Offset, the offset distance for a linear pattern or the first of 2 offsets for a rectangular pattern. This is the distance between each instance of the pattern. Its value must be non-zero. Axis, the rotation axis for a circular pattern. The axis can be a direction reference selected from a plane, 2D sketch edge, 3D model edge, face, or 2 points. Angle, the rotation angle for a circular pattern. This is the angle between each instance of the pattern. If the value of this property is 0, then ANSYS Design Modeler will automatically calculate the angle necessary to evenly space the patterns about the rotation axis, and you will see evenly spaced indicated in the property instead of a numerical value. The default value for angle is 0. Copies, the number of copies to create for linear and circular patterns. For rectangular patterns, this is the number of copies to create in the first direction. Its value must be positive. The default value is 1. Direction 2, the second of 2 directions for a rectangular pattern. Offset 2, the second of 2 offset distances for a rectangular pattern. This is the distance between each instance of the pattern in the second direction. Its value must be non-zero. Copies 2, the number of copies to create in the second direction for rectangular patterns. Its value must be positive. The default value is 1.